In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up cross-domain tracking in Google Analytics 4, so activity across related websites can be tracked together in the same user journey. To get started, open Google Analytics and go to the admin panel. In the property column, select Data Streams, then open the web data stream you want to configure. From the Stream Details page, click Configure Tag Settings. This is where you can adjust how your Google tag handles tracking behavior for that specific web stream. Quick side note, for more straightforward Google Analytics tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. Now select Configure Your Domains. Here, add all of the related websites you want Google Analytics to recognize as part of the same cross-domain experience. This helps GA4 preserve the user's session as they move between those domains, rather than treating each visit as a separate user session. Once you've added the domains you need, save your configuration. And that's it. You've set up cross-domain tracking in Google Analytics 4.